How to make payment for Walmart Rewards card. Now, to make a payment on a Walmart Rewards card which is issued by Capital One, you can either log into your Capital One online account and use the Capital One mobile app, or call the Capital One customer service, or mail a check, or visit Capital One branch to make a payment in person. But you can also pay at a Walmart customer service desk in store with your physical card, or you can use the card online on the Walmart website. So you can go to walmart.com and add the products that you want to buy to your cart. Once you've added some items that maybe you want to add to your cart, during the checkout process you'll be asked to enter a payment method. During that payment method entering process, you'll also find the option to add a gift card. So here you can see all these little options. I'll just skip this and let's say I'll select continue to checkout button. All I have to do here is, if you have an account, perfectly fine. If you don't, just create an account right away. Then once then, you will be able to redeem your Walmart gift card on the Walmart Rewards card. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you in the next video.